Guys, it's super insane. So keep watching the video and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool, guys. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get the game Jade Chamber Sunshine. So this is for iPhone and Android. It's the full game, so you can actually play it. So I'm going to show you guys how to play because a lot of people are asking me if you could get Jade Chamber Sunshine for iOS and Android. So I just wanted to show you guys that it actually works. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. So it's easy enough. Just go to Hex Mods and type Jade Chamber Sunshine. Go ahead and download it. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. Okay, so this is the last step. What you got to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super simple. So basically, last thing we do, you gotta download some apps. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game. And we got Evertail, which says down run for 30 seconds. And we got, Travel Town. So just download 2 of the apps. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how I get Jade Chamber Sunshine for iOS and Android. So it's really cool, guys, if you like to play Jade Chamber, because a lot of people do. But a lot of people are like stupid and like they don't know about Jade Chamber Sunshine Mobile. But it actually works. So as you can see, I'm playing it right now, and I can actually play Jade Chamber Sunshine for iOS and Android. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Jade Chamber Sunshine, because then you can like use it on your phone, which is awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but as you can see, guys, it fully works. All characters unlocked. So definitely try it out for yourself because it's super awesome. And a lot of people will not know about how to get Jade Chamber Sunshine mobile download, but I can provide it to you if you need it. So that's how I get Jade Chamber Sunshine for iOS and Android. Just do the verification, you're going to be all set. So I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.